Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a mojito using water. Muddle mint leaves with sugar and lime, then pour in chilled water and add crushed ice to cool quickly. Stir gently to combine flavors without bruising the mint. Taste and adjust sweetness or lime by small amounts. Serve in a tall glass with a mint sprig and a lime wheel for a simple, refreshing mocktail everyone can enjoy. Collect your ingredients and tools before starting to keep the process smooth. Place mint and sugar in the glass, add lime wedges, and use a muddler to press gently until fragrant. Add a measured pour of cold water and top with crushed ice so the flavors open without watering down too fast. Stir slowly to lift oils and aromas, then taste and tweak sweetness or acidity to suit your preference. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy mocktails and tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for keeping your water cold while you mix and stay hydrated between sips. It's leak-proof and easy to carry to the bar cart. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Use gentle technique to keep your mojito bright and clean. Press mint and lime just enough to release oils, avoiding over-muddling which can make the drink bitter. Begin with a modest amount of sugar, then taste and add more in small increments to balance acidity. Crushed ice chills fast and melts predictably, so the drink stays refreshing. Garnish and serve immediately for the best aroma and presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.